In this video, we are going to be looking at simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. You know, simultaneous equation, we can use elimination method to solve it. We can use substitution method to solve it. We can also use Cramer's rule. Let's use Cramer's rule now to solve the simultaneous equation. If you look at this here, we have two equations. This is equation 1, then equation 2. Equation 1, equation 1, then we have equation 2. Now, having understood this now, then this is our Cramer's rule here. This A now, this is the matrix, the special matrix we form by replacing the column of coefficients with the constant. This is our constant. This is our constant value here. This is our constant value here. And this is the variable y, this variable x. These are the variables we want to find. We want to find y, we want to find x. And we have the constant value here. Now, how do we do this now? The first thing you do is just to find, to remove the variables. Take the variables away from the value. Now, if you want to take the variable away, yx, so we'll be having 2 left, we'll be having 6, we'll be having minus 1 here, then we'll be having 5 here, we're having 5 here. Then our variable that we removed, x and y, then equals 22, 53. Now, having done this now, the first thing you need to do is to find the determinant. You find the determinant of this matrix we have formed here. Now, how do we find the determinants of 2 by 2? You know it's 2 by 2. Row 1, row 2, row 1, column 2, row, that is 2 by 2. So what do we do now? 2 times 5, the major diagonal, 2 times 5, that will give us 10. The determinant, 10, 2 times 5, 10, minus 1 times minus 6, that will be giving us 10, minus times minus plus, that will give us 16. It means that our determinant is 16. Our determinant, right? So let me put this here. Our determinant equals 16. Now, having gotten our determinant, now if you want to get your x now, or you want to get your y, let's start with what should we start with? Let's start with y. And y is y. Let's start with y. Now, if you want to find your y now, you remove the coefficient of y. You know this coefficient of y. You remove it, take it away, you replace it with the constants. When you replace it with constant, then you find the matrix. You find the determinant. That is special matrix. It's a special matrix because you are replacing the column with the coefficients. You know, with the coefficient. You are removing the column of coefficients with the constants. Now, if you remove this now, we want to find our x. We want to find our y. Let's remove this coefficient of y. Let's remove it. We put this, we fix in constant value instead. 53, then 6 back 5. So we have this. When you have this, find the determinants. Determinants of this will give you, the special determinant will give you 22 times 5, 110 minus 53 times 6, that will give us 318, plus 318, right? Plus 318. So your answer will be 110 minus times plus minus 318. So your answer will be 20 minus 208. Minus 208. Now, when you get minus 208, then you just use your Cramer's rule. Then this special matrix now that we have gotten the determinant of it here, which is minus 208, we put it here, minus 208. Then our determinant, which is this, 16. Our determinant is 16. So we just find minus 208 divided by 16. Minus 208 divided by 16. So what is going to be the answer? Minus 208, let's quickly do that. 208 divided by 16. 2 here. Okay, let's say 4 here. 4 here. 5. 4 here. 2. Or yes. 4 here. 1. 4 here. 1. That will be 13. So our answer is minus 13. It means our value for y is minus 13. That is it. Can you get it? Value for y is minus 13. Now, let's quickly find the x. I'll rub up this now. If you want to find the x, just what you what you just have to do again, you will replace, you will remove the coefficient of x now. You know, 6 and 5 for x. You remove the coefficient of x, you put the constant value back. So you write 2 minus 1, then coefficient of we will put the constant value now. Then our constant value is going to be 2253. So we'll be having this now. Now, if you have this now, you find the determinant. When you find the determinant, how will you find the determinant of this? Just very simple. What we've been doing. Let's put it here. 2 times 53. That will be 106. 106 minus 22. Minus 1 times 22. It's going to be minus 22. That's going to be 106. Minus times minus plus 22. Plus 22. When you have plus 22, that will be your final answer here will be 128. 128. So when you have 128, so for y now, don't forget our determinant is 16. So for y, are we looking okay for x now? For x now, we'll be having this special determinant here, our determinant. So this what we get here is 128. 128 over determinant 16. So this is for our y, don't forget this is our y. If you want to find the x, you can see. So this will be 4 year 4, 4 year 3, 4 year 2, 4 year 1, 4 year, that will be 8. So it means our x will be 8. Our x will be 8. Our y is 13. Our x is 8. Our x is 8. Now we can prove it now. We can prove it. If you want to prove this now, let's see if it's going to give us the real value. 2y plus 6x equals 22. It's going to give us 22. 2. What's our y? Our y is minus 13 plus 6 bracket x. Our x is 8 equals 20. It's going to give us 22. This minus 26 plus 48. 6 times 8, 48. 48 minus 26. It's going to give us 22, which is correct. Please subscribe and get more of our video. Thank you.